In case if you are asked in the school who is a Satan, Satan is a nurse. So many ladies want to be a nurse, but they don't behave like nurses. A hospital is a hospitality industry. When you entertain people, you must tolerate people as a nurse. You must be patient. Manner of approach matters. Don't talk to your patients as if they are mad people on the street. Respect those people coming to that hospital, because without them, your salary won't be paid. 9 days in the hospital, I saw hell. If not for the sake of some few doctors in government hospitals, and some of the doctors coming for review, I prefer private hospital. Even the government hospital is expensive more than the private hospitals these days. Some of these nurses, they don't want to work. Once they arrive, they will just fold their hands. When you're calling them to come and check their patients, it will look as if you're disturbing them. They will sit at their table and start discussing. Have issue with one of them, they will tell the next shift coming to gang up against you. I overheard them saying that their salary has not been paid for 4 months. Some people said 2 months. Their government, try and pay their salary. Let's see if they will change. I don't know how this economy is, but that is not enough reason for you to speak to an elderly man who is in his 50s like he's your junior brother of 10 years. Speak to people who comes to the hospital anyhow. Dear mothers, if you have a baby 0 to 6 months old, there is this sickness on air now. Symptoms are catarrh and severe cough. Babies also have fever. Please take them to the hospital. It's not normal. A baby coughing for 10 minutes straight might end up being asthmatic patient in future. Them cough syrup cannot help the matter. Take them to hospital immediately. Baby was not having fever, no headache. Cough for 7 minutes or 10 minutes non-stop. I saw not less than 10 babies with same symptoms. 1 month, some are 3 weeks, some are 2 weeks, some are 3 months. You just have a baby and your baby is always sucking one breast. Baby is always crying. If you give the baby formula, the baby doesn't take. Please take the baby to the hospital. Some tests on the baby. It might be shortage of blood. If you have your baby in the maternity or any roadside maternity, once you are being discharged, take that baby to the hospital for proper checkup so that you will not spend the money you never wish to spend. Stop safe medication. It's taking the life of children these days. Giving your babies but giving them formula can increase the chances of fungal diseases. Exclusive breastfeeding is the best for the first 3 months so that you won't see yourself in the hospital. Thank you and bye.